everyone, in this particular video we are going to see how you can add the poll from this particular feed section. So in Bitrix24 feed section, here we are getting one option, that is the poll. So from this particular poll you are able to ask the question and give answer to your employees for that particular question. So here we have the option of adding multiple questions along with the multiple options. So for example, here we will write one question that is related to Bitrix24 plan. So you can add this question. So after that, here we have the option of allowing this and allowing these questions for the multiple choice answers. So you can add accordingly multiple questions. And here we having three different options, that is the normal, public and anonymous. So you can use this option also as well. So once we send this particular question in the feed, so as you can see, this question is appear in everyone's dashboard. So they are going, once any employee are going to vote for this particular question, so this their vote will be calculated over here, and in this particular section we are going to see who is voting for which plan. So this is how you can use the poll option from the feed section in Bitrix20.